Hi guys, how are you doing? Here he is, back for another little unboxing video. Top lip Ted, check that out. 24 hours, it was a spot guys, it was a spot that got topped. So here we are, Sunday afternoon. Do you remember yesterday I had to do an edit and I said I'll be back in 15 minutes when the brush is soaked. I come back in the video and I said it's actually been an hour. It has been because the postman came and some other people came and I got distracted. So we're going to do a little unboxing today. Cheers everybody. It's 2 o'clock somewhere, isn't it? This is what we're on today. Yes, they do a jam shed Chardonnay. That's what I'm on today. So thank you. Do you remember a couple of weeks ago I did a series of shaves using some samples from Pinnacle grooming that I'd bought and just found them. I put them away, forgot to use them, and then just found them and dug them out. And I used about 3 or 4 of them. They were very, very good. They smelled absolutely fantastic. Really good. Now check out Pinnacle Grooming's website, guys, because when I look to do 10 of these little samples for £10, which is phenomenal value. Absolutely. And if you're a YouTube wet shaver as well, 10 videos there for £10. What's not to like? Well, Jay over there at Pinnacle Grooming, he saw the videos. He messaged me, got in touch with me, he said, John, I'll send you some samples, some of the new bases, they've updated the base. I'd like to send you something, give me your address. He said, he made a joke, he said, I'll make sure there's no ylang-a-lang in it. The parcel came and I thanked Jay, and Jay said to me, he said, listen, just be honest, review them, any review, good or bad. He said the main thing is that you just enjoy the experience. So when I tell you that I like these subs, and I'm going to, because I've used about 5 of them now, and the only thing I didn't like was the scent on one. These are all scents that well, I'm assuming the scents that I like, because there'll be no ylang-a-lang in them. So here it is, look, there's the box. Look, he sent it to John Shares. I blanked out my address because I'm not having hordes of hot women finding out where I live and banging on my door. I've got stuff to do. There you go, here we go. There's the unboxing knife, look, pink, to make the boys wink. I've no idea what's in here. There you go. Just thank you. First off to Jay and Pinnacle Grooming. There you go, we'll do that there. We'll do that there. You will see it as I see it. There you go. Check this out, guys. Check this out. We'll put that there. First off, do you know, out of all the Pinnacle Grooming soaps, all the samples, I may have said this in a video, I said, look at the artwork on this one. This was a particular, now, all Pinnacle, I think Pinnacle Grooming have got the best artwork in wet shaving. And I include PAA in that. Pinnacle Grooming's artwork is better than anybody. It's absolutely phenomenal. Check that out, guys. Look at that. And I'm assumifying that that is the matching splash. Let's have a look. I have no idea. Yeah, look at this. There it is. That's the matching splash. Absolutely wonderful. And I like this touch as well. I don't know if you can see it, but there's let's get this. There's like you see it, like polythene strip, protective strip all the way around. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. So we'll just put that there. Sicilian. Sicilian, I have no idea. Kind of look at that. Oh my word, that smells nice. I'm going to have to watch that. My wife and daughter will like that. So thanks for that, Jay. He sent some door cord blades. We'll use them. We're going to be having a Pinnacle room. And then he sent me 2, 4, 6 of these. And I remember you get 10 of these for £10 the last time I checked their website last week. And check this out, guys. Look at this. I'll get them as close as, because these are like little one. You'll get 2 shaves out of that. It's just what I said. If you're a YouTube wet shaver, it gives you a chance to try their stuff, and then if you really like one, you can buy the set, can't you? But look at these. I should have done a bit of research before I came in and found out what scents these were. I'm sorry I didn't do that. I was just so excited, and I've been very busy. Yeah, and my wife's just changed the dressing. Oh look, a picture of me on that one. Oh, Einstein. Or at least that's what my dad always used to call me. And then one that's very close to my heart, and it may be very close to yours as well. I want to give a bit of a special mention to that. Is this soap that they make? Can you see that? Autism is not a disability. It isn't. Oh, that smells so good. And look at that, guys. These are chock full right to them. As a matter of fact, you probably get 3 or 4 shaves out of that. And that's it. So I just wanted to give due credit to Pinnacle Grooming. We've got some Pinnacle Grooming shaves coming up. Cheers, everybody. Thanks again to Jay for Pinnacle Grooming. Check out their website. I'll put a link below. Check out those samples. If you're a YouTube wet shaver, 10 videos, I know, do you know what I mean? For £10. Okay, look after yourselves. Hope you like this video, and I will see you next Wednesday for the Wednesday shave. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Bye.